Jersey City is definitely urban with a small town feel. We have some of the best views of the New York City skyline, so the best way to experience them is to take a stroll along the waterfront. There's always something happening downtown. Coming out of the Grove Street Path Station, you walk out into this pedestrian plaza and you're going to hear live music, farmers market going on. If you're hungry, we have amazing food. One of my favorites downtown is Razza. You're going to get incredible pizza, but get there early because a line forms when they open. In the heart of Journal Square, you're going to find a little pocket we call Little India. You're going to find a ton of Indian grocery stores, Indian places to eat. You can just feel like you're in India when you're there. One of the highlights of Jersey City has got to be the Liberty Science Center. It's an interactive science museum. It's great for kids and adults. It's a ton of fun to spend half a day there with the whole family. Corgi Spirits is Jersey City's only distillery and the first one to open since Prohibition. Kind of has this library feel inside, so you could taste their gin, their vodka, their whiskey, and they make some really fantastic cocktails as well. Our neighbor to the north is Hoboken, where Frank Sinatra is from. Definitely gonna have more of a cute, quaint feel. You're gonna walk down Washington and just see a ton of bars, restaurants, cafes. One of the places people really like to stop in is Carlos Bakery, which is featured on Cake Boss. Jersey City has one of the best mural programs in the country. We have local and international artists who are showcasing their gorgeous artwork. When you're seeing this art, you're getting a sense of the community, and that is something that makes Jersey City really special. We really embrace diversity here. I like making other people feel welcome, and I hope that people get the same experience when they come and visit Jersey City.